In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall NinjaTrader. Now to do this, first you want to close down your NinjaTrader application, so just click on this X button top right, and of course confirm you want to close it, and there we go, that's the first step. Then you want to go down to your taskbar inside your computer, and then click on Search, and you want to go and search for installed apps. I've searched for these already, so I have them over here. You want to click on Installed Apps, and it's going to open up all your apps you have installed on your computer. From here, you want to look for NinjaTrader. You can scroll down or search apps and type in Ninja, and it should be found on a list. From here, go and click on the three dots at the very far right, and then click on Uninstall. What's going to happen here, basically, it's going to allow you to click on this uninstall button, and it's going to say preparing to remove, and this is going to kind of take a few seconds to actually organize and run up, and then once it does so, you may have to confirm the uninstallation, and then it's going to uninstall your NinjaTrader. So as you can see, there we go. It did ask me to actually confirm this on my computer. Then it's going to show your time remaining. For me, it's like 1 second. And there we go. As you can see in the back, it's already removed, and I don't have NinjaTrader on my computer anymore. If I go and close this, and if I try to search for it, Ninja, as you can see, there's only my videos I recorded on NinjaTrader, but NinjaTrader itself does not exist anymore on my computer. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.